Pasar a que te what's up, guys? As you see, that's Muda. As you follow for our YouTube channel, that's you're here for keep explaining and letting you know for more tracker operation. So, guys, last thing I remember you always need to keep our channel as subscribed. They're gonna keep explaining and let you know more about the new channel and the track. Please keep it up and know how the things are working on. You will hear with me. I am David Akistanure. As always, I keep that's why I have to keep that's why I have to keep showing you for more corners, for more angles, for what you can do and what you can't do. Airways, you have to focus. You have to focus for your trailer. As you see, this guy came without making the car straight. When you need to do that, it means your car must go a long way. So I'm here to keep updating you and explaining you how the things are working. As you see my head now, I feel refreshed and I smell good because my mind was really refreshed. I don't have hair. But yeah, I feel that's especially enough. I'm here to show you. You see the guy is going for back. Gonna be cold around here. If you can't make it. The right is how the guy is so close, which is terrible for us. Like here can be dangerous. Alright, guys. The thing which is important, I keep showing you how it to show you the CEO and the very important corner, very important secret for the truck trailer. You work on it, but that means when you are around, when you are closer, it means you are in high risk by doing by failing your exam. It means better when you do your things, not have to be closer or around, which is making sense, which is sounding good, which is sounding perfect for you. People who are following our YouTube channel, please remember to keep subscribe and subscribe, share, comment. I have been reminding you guys, people who are saying about it for who are saying our car is who are saying our people are saying our video is they're not professional, okay? But as you know, we do when you are at work. That's why it's not easy to take professional videos, but I promise you in the future to be giving you the best quality video, because as you see now, we do when we are at work, so it can't be easy to get a professional videos. Focus for this side here. When you go on, you focus for start the corner from above there. So when he's around here, what he has to do, he has to keep straight. After straight, he has to make the trailer is that blue, there is that yellow light must be, this yellow light must be straight with this last corner. After that, you have a turn for one. You see? After that, I have to turn right. When turn right, you have to make sure the these rusty tires there is all because Muda is supposed to wear them guns for that side. Then for their front, you will turn for right to make sure it's gonna be through this corner. After I see that corner, you're gonna find this corner. After he sees it, he's gonna push forward to make sure he sees both. After he sees both, and he's gonna make sure he's looking back forward. Like there, he's seeing the last corner for this side. He's gonna go back for seeing the both corner. So the moment he sees the both corner, he's gonna turn back. After he turn back, he's gonna be in the middle of now he's coming. He's right away where he's seeing. He's coming right away where he's seeing the full corner, where he's passing, going back. So we are complaining about for videos. Who are saying the videos they are not professional. I promise you that they give you the enough quality and they give you the best. What we try to show you, that's to sorry. Try to inform you, just to give you the better and the best information. So see it's so closer for upper side, but for those who don't know, here is yes guys, we also that we don't give you enough, don't give you the good quality of the videos. For sure I can promise you, I can tell you that we give you for sure our best. We try it for our best for them. Then that's how it is. Okay, see right now it's raining, but we keep giving you what's supposed to be giving you, because we try to make sure we are informing you guys. So keep it up, and remember to subscribe for our YouTube channel. It's Muda TV.